Welcome to VendorsFare. Today we'll be doing a registration as well as a shop setup. After entering our site, head over to vendor and customer registration. Once here, you'll see there is a login and register side out on the page. If you're an existing customer, you can log in over here, and if you're new, you register here. Make sure you tick whether you're a customer or a vendor. When selecting vendor, which we'll be doing today, start off with your email address, a password, first name, last name, and shop name. Then you'll be selecting your shop URL. Now this is going to be your store's name and where people can use your address to find you. Make sure that you're only using numbers and letters and none those strange characters. Next, enter your company name. You can also enter your company ID, your VAT number, the name of your bank, your bank's IBAN number, and your phone number. After signing in and completing the setup wizard, this is your customer dashboard. Here they'll be able to see recent orders, shipping and billing addresses, and edit their password and account details. They'll also be able to see their seller support tickets and the vendors they have been in touch with. If you're a vendor, you're going to go ahead now and click onto Go to Vendor Dashboard. Now that we're at the vendor dashboard, I'm going to quickly run through some of the tools that you'll see on the left-hand side of your screen before we go ahead and build a store. When we start building, you'll be heading to products, but for now, let's go through the rest first. Orders is where you'll be able to view the orders that have come in. You'll be able to track them and see which orders you need to pack. Request quotes. This is where people have requested quotes for wholesale or for larger amounts that you might not have or something that is no longer on the site. Coupons. So coupons is where you can add coupons for sales. Please make sure you inform us when you're doing this so we can bump that for you and make it a headline on our front page. Reports. Now the reports is a lovely little tool where you can actually monitor and track. Here you'll be able to track your product, your revenue, sales, your order, your variations, your categories, your stock, and also print a statement of all the above. Delivery time. Delivery time is where you're able to set your delivery time. Let's head in over to delivery time so I can show you how that looks. Here at the delivery time dashboard, you'll be able to see and list when items will be going out. You can see the week, the day, and the month. Depending on your lead time and how long you've given a product to be collected, this will be listed here. Reviews. Reviews is where people will be able to give you reviews and you will be able to see the reviews from them. We monitor reviews to make sure that they're fair. Withdrawal. Welcome to your wallet. From here, you'll be able to do your withdrawals. Your final amount will become available as soon as the sale is completed. You can request a withdrawal into your bank account that you have provided. Please note that a minimum withdrawal amount is 50 Rand. Here you can view your payments of previous payments. And here, if you have not done so already, you can set up your payment. We can pay directly into your bank account, or you can choose to be paid into your PayPal account. The next tool we have is badges. We as VendorsFare award our vendors with badges, such as for top sales, top earnings, top requested products. Keep a lookout for these badges and wear them proudly. Product Q&A. This is where you can answer commonly asked questions from customers. Return requests. Here you will see the return requests from customers. Please ensure that you have given your return policies clearly. If you have any questions regarding returns, feel free to ask us. Remember, your WhatsApp button is right here where you can contact and talk with us directly. Staff. If you're not the only one running your page, you can log your staff here. They'll be able then to look at your dashboard and be able to continue with your sales. Followers. Followers is all the people that have chosen to follow your website and follow your store. Here you'll be able to post announcements directly to them when you have new products or a sale. Announcements. Here you will find announcements from us to you. We might inform you of a new sale that we'll be having, promotions that the company will be running, as well as other notices. Store stats. Here you'll be able to see all the stats regarding your stores, as well as your SEO. Tools. Let's head over to Tools and take a look. Here at Tools, you'll be able to import your XML or your CSV. This is not a requirement, but for those who already have online stores and you would like to put in your products this way, this is an available option. You can also export your products, XML and CSV files here to use in your other online stores. Just below Tools, you'll find Support. Here at Support is your support tickets. Or you'll be able to view all your tickets, your open tickets and your closed tickets. You'll be able to find them by the customer's name, the date range, or a ticket ID or keywords. Last, but definitely not least, we will have Settings. Here at Settings, we have the store details, your payments, verification, shipping, ShipStation, social profile, RMA, Google Drive, and Story, SEO. Let's head over to the store first. When arriving at the store, you'll see a little progress window over here. As you complete tasks, it will be able to update as you go. For example, here we have an update the payment method to gain 30% progress. Over here, you can add your banner if you have not done so already. If you need to know the size of your banner, head over. In the store portion of the settings, you will see a little bar here. This bar will give you an idea of what you still need to do and complete. For example, here we have add a payment method to gain 30% progress. Here you will add your banner if you haven't done so already. Here you can add your store's banner if you haven't done so already. If you need help with the size, go to our download page where you'll find a PDF telling you the exact size you need for your banner, your profile picture, as well as your product sizes. Here you upload your profile picture. Your store name can be put in here, store categories, and the address of your store. You can click here if you have multiple locations. Under location name, add the location. If you are working from home, please put in your address here. The reason you need to put in your address is for shipping purposes. Here is the vacation button. If you are going to go away for a period of time, ensure that you click this button so that you won't receive sales and get a bad review for late delivery. Here you can enable store-wide discounts for during your sale period. Your biography is a great place for your customers to get to know you. Make sure that you add a personal touch and give them a bit of information about you and your products. You can add media directly here, or you can connect your Google Drive and use images from your Google Drive. Here you have the Enable Support button in your store. You can customize it here, such as saying chat with us, your minimum and maximum amount for orders. Next up, you have payment. Here you can set your payment details. Following payment is verification. Verification is where we ask you to upload your proof of address and your ID document. We will then provide you with a verified badge. Shipping. In shipping, you'll be able to set your shipping policies. Please ensure that you give the correct processing time, may it be days or weeks. Shipping policy. Make sure that you state your shipping policy, how long products will take to be shipped, This is very important with custom-made gifts, which can sometimes take longer. Refund policies. Please state your refund policies here. Again, this is important if a customer disputes a claim. Social profile. Here you can connect your social profiles with our site, RMA. Here again is where you will have your refund policies. Google Drive. Google Drive is where you can connect your Google Drive for your product uploads. Store SEO. Your store SEO, search engine optimization, is where you can add keywords as well as meta tags to boost your store on Google. Now let's head over to products, where we're going to load our first products. Here at products, you'll be able to import your CSV files or add your products directly. Let's go over and add some new products. Here, you'll be able to search similar products in this marketplace to duplicate product image, content, attribute, tags. Starting with your title, your product name, you'll enter that here. Upload your product images. If you need space to upload additional images, you can add your gallery images here. Product type. With your product type, you need to click either simple, variable, external affiliate product, or group product. Products that don't have any variations, as in one product, one price, you will click on simple. If the product comes in various sizes, colors, or any other attributes, you will click on variable. Let's go over to variable and show you what that will look like. Here you can add your tags, anything related to your product. Your short description, which will be visible next to the product. Your long description, which is a bit more in detail view. You can also add images in this area. Inventory. If you are making use of a SKU stock keeping unit, please add this here. If not, you may leave it blank and move on. Rank Math SEO is just the SEO product we use to help you analyze and give you an AI system to help boost your ranking. Moving on to shipping and tax. Under shipping class, please ensure that you use standard shipping. If you are VAT registered, you can have your shipping taxable. If you don't, you can just leave it blank. Link products and cross-sales. If you are cross-selling or upselling any product, you can add them or search for the products here to link them. Now we have arrived at the attribute and variation. Before we can add a variation, we have to first add an attribute. Here you can see there are some attributes already available in form of color, form, size, as well as weight. If you do not see your variant here, you can say add attribute. So let's add a custom attribute to show you how that will look. I am selecting attribute of volume. Here I will put in what volumes the product comes in. May it be 50 milliliters, 200 milliliters, make sure you click it before moving on. Make sure that you see an X next to every one of these. This will let you know that they have loaded correctly. If these are going to cost different prices, make sure that you have clicked Useful Variations. Then select Save Attribute. Now we can add variation. At Variations, make sure you click Create Variations from All Attributes. It'll let you know that you can only do a maximum of 50 per run. click OK. There you are. You have 4 variations added for this specific product. Once you've done that, you can click on each product. Here you can add an additional image. If your product is possibly downloadable, then you can add that here. Here you will add your regular price, your weight. Please ensure when writing in your weights, if it is under a kilogram, that you indicate it by putting 0. How many grams it is. Shipping class should stay as same as parent. Tax class, same as parent. Here you can add a description for the variant. This is not necessary on things like color or size or weight. You can enable your product for wholesale by clicking here. You can set a minimum and maximum quality for this specific product. After you're done, make sure you save your variations. Here you have a discount options where you can put in your own discounts. RMA, again, this is your return and warranty settings. You can override it for specific products if they have different return policies. Here you can add a customer note and put if it is visible on your store as of yet. Your product will start off with saying pending review. We, as VendorsFare, will approve the product and to make sure that it fits our guidelines. Guidelines can be found under the download section. Once your product is loaded, you can bump your product in advertisement. And once everything is complete, hit Save Product. You have loaded your first product. Once you're done, you can head over to the Shop Products. Let's take a look at the layout and how your shop will look. If at any point you need an extra guidance, please do not hesitate to hit your WhatsApp and contact us, and we'll happily walk you through any steps. We look forward to having you as one of our proud vendors. Happy sales, everyone!